I've never had one of these Ferrero Rocher things. I really don't know what it's like. This has been like my first time ever having it. Looks like a piece of turd wrapped in tin foil. Did he just like eat corn or something? Look at it. Well, here goes nothing. There's more shit inside it. It's fucking hard in there. Oh. I'm not feeling that well. I'm gonna call in sick.